Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We just got back from the Warner Robins Jeep Club Jeep show. This was their 7th annual show. All the proceeds went to the fire department, so I want to say thanks to those dudes for putting on a good show. Had a lot of fun. Betsy Ross won the TJ category, so that was pretty nice. If you watched the previous video, I kind of stayed up late just making a flag holder out of all things because Betsy Ross needed a flag, I guess. But no, it was a really cool show. Met a lot of good people. Had a lot of conversations and met some local vendors. So I'm gonna have them attached to this. So check those out. Always want to support the local community and the local vendors. Hey guys, shop local.
Hey, greetings everyone. I'm James Rozar. I'm a local independent AMSOIL dealer located here in Bon Air, Georgia. Today we're here at the Jeep show where all proceeds of the Jeep show today is going to help buy new equipment for the firemen and provide them with that. If you don't mind, man, take a look at the product that I have online and look me up with a locator. You can give me a call. I can provide you with a free quote. I can ship anywhere in the United States.